Dustin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke on this beautiful rainy day. What I have behind me is a super fresh trade-in, guys. This is a 2020 Apex Nano 208BHS. Super awesome lightweight family unit, guys. Up front, we got the pass-through storage. Check out the awning, 2 exterior speakers. You even have a nice little outdoor kitchen area back here. Got a spot here we can put a cooktop, nice little spot up top to store some stuff, and a beverage fridge, of course. LED lights underneath the awning, and 2 steps going up in. Come on in, guys. Now we're inside the Apex Nano, and check out all the storage you have around the bed. So we got his or hers closets on the other side with the hanging bars. There also is some storage up above. Pretty deep storage at that, actually. I love the glass on that cabinet door. A little bit of phone storage beside the bed, and then you get the front window as well, which is super awesome. Especially if you want to lay in bed and see if it's a rainy day. That's a good way to do it. Over here, we got the dinette that will drop down to a bed as well, with all kinds of storage underneath. Window, of course, light where you want it, and then straight over into our kitchen. Double sinks, great for washing dishes. Dual cooktop. Storage up above, great for your cups and your plates and whatnot. And some more storage down below. Pots and pans. Microwave there. That is decent sized microwave, actually. And then we have our Dometic gas and electric refrigerator with a spot you can hide the snacks from the kids. Right here beside the bathroom, towel storage, or you could use it as extra pantry storage. And then just behind me, we have double over double bunks. They will support up to 200 pounds. And down below you have a nice spot where you can put your suitcases and whatnot. Straight into the bathroom. This is a pretty cozy bathroom, I must say. There's tons of space here around the toilet. You do have the vanity medicine cabinet with a spot you can put your toothbrushes. There's some storage down below as well. All your tank sensors are right here on this puppy. And then we also have the shallow tub, which is good for a small dog, maybe a young child, and the extra headroom right where we want it, as well as a vent. Alright, guys. If you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, you know where to come, and that's Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.